Ever wonder how wireless chargers, transformers, or induction cooktops actually transfer energy without touching? The secret is mutual inductance, and calculating it precisely is critical for designing circuits that actually work. This free mutual inductance interactive calculator makes that math instant. Just plug in your two coil inductances and the coupling coefficient, a value between 0 and 1 describing how well the magnetic fields overlap, and it instantly returns the mutual inductance in henries. For example, enter L1 as 0.5 henries, L2 as 0.8 henries, and a coupling coefficient of 0.6. The calculator gives you a mutual inductance of roughly 0.379 henries. Adjust any value and the result updates immediately. Whether you're a student, hobbyist, or working engineer, this tool removes the guesswork and saves you from manual errors. Try the Mutual Inductance Interactive Calculator now using the link below. It's completely free.